The Florida maple, Acer floridinum, also known as southern sugar maple or chalk maple, is a deciduous hardwood tree native to the southeastern United States. Despite its name, it is not limited to Florida. It naturally occurs in parts of Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and South Carolina. It belongs to the Sapindaceae family and is closely related to the sugar maple, Acer saccharum. The Florida maple is valued for its adaptability to warm climates, attractive foliage, and ecological importance. Physical description. Florida maple is a medium-sized tree, typically growing between 30 and 50 feet tall, though some specimens can grow larger under ideal conditions. It has a rounded or oval canopy with dense branching. The bark is light gray to brown and becomes rough and scaly as the tree matures. One distinguishing feature is its leaves, which are usually 3 to 5 lobed, smaller and thicker than those of the northern sugar maple. The leaves have a smooth texture and a deep green color during the growing season. Seasonal leaf color. One of the most notable facts about the Florida maple is its fall foliage. In autumn, the leaves turn striking shades of yellow, orange, and red, adding seasonal beauty to forests and landscapes. While its fall color may not be as intense as the sugar maple in cooler climates, it is still considered one of the best native trees for fall color in the southeastern U.S. The timing and intensity of color change depend on temperature, soil moisture, and sunlight. Flowers and reproduction. Florida maple produces small, yellow-green flowers in early spring, usually between February and April, before or just as the leaves emerge. The flowers are not showy but are important for pollinators such as bees. The tree reproduces by seeds called samaras, which are winged and fall from the tree in late spring or early summer. These seeds are dispersed by wind and germinate readily in suitable soil conditions. Natural habitat and growing conditions. In the wild, Florida maple is commonly found in rich hardwood forests, along riverbanks, and on well-drained slopes. It prefers moist, fertile, slightly acidic soils and grows best in partial shade to full sun. Unlike the sugar maple, Florida maple is more tolerant of heat and drought, making it better suited for southern climates. However, it does not tolerate prolonged flooding or extremely compacted soils. Ecological importance. Florida maple plays an important role in forest ecosystems. Its seeds provide food for birds, squirrels, and small mammals, while its dense canopy offers shelter and nesting sites. The tree also contributes to soil health by adding organic matter through leaf litter. As a native species, it supports local wildlife better than many non-native ornamental trees and helps maintain biodiversity. Uses in landscaping and wood. Florida maple is often planted as an ornamental tree in parks, residential yards, and urban landscapes because of its moderate size and attractive appearance. It is less commonly used for timber than sugar maple, but its wood is still hard and durable, suitable for furniture, tool handles, and small woodworking projects. Historically, its sap was sometimes used to make maple syrup, though in smaller quantities than northern maple species. Longevity and care. With proper conditions, Florida maple can live several decades to over 100 years. It requires minimal maintenance once established. Occasional pruning helps maintain shape and remove dead branches. The tree is generally resistant to many pests and diseases, though it can be affected by leaf scorch, aphids, or fungal issues under stress. Adequate watering during dry periods improves its health and appearance.